What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over why you should be buying SOS Limited, ticker symbol SOS. What I see forming on the chart looks very bullish, so I'm going to take you guys through the technicals and show you exactly how to play this trade. If you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a trading community where you can ask me questions about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So as you guys can see, we have SOS pulled up on the chart right here, and the first thing you'd obviously notice is that this stock ran up pretty crazy, all the way from a low of 121 to a high of 1650, and honestly this run has been crazy and they fell pretty hard. This fall was due to fraud allegations, but ever since then, the stock has been slowly uptrending, and this is what I like to see. After this breakout right here on the chart, I actually played this breakout right here and I called it out for my group, so just another incentive to join my free trading group. And ever since this breakout, as I said before, they've been forming this ascending triangle, and an ascending triangle is a bullish pattern. If I draw this bottom out and then I draw the top, you'll be able to see it pretty clearly. That's the trend that they've been keeping. And then for the top where there is resistance, this is the top of the ascending triangle. Now with this ascending triangle, it is a bullish pattern, as I said before, and I'll actually throw a picture up on the screen of what it's supposed to look like so you can compare the two. And what I'm looking for SOS to do pretty soon is break out to the upside. As we can see, they're kind of getting closer to the end of the peak, and right when a stock is near the peak, this is where it tends to break out. Now, the levels I'm looking for SOS to go to is right around here where they have a resistance at about 1050. This is obviously a nice move to the upside. If it breaks above 860, the next level I see it hitting is 1050, which is about a $2 move, which is pretty nice for a $8 stock. Now, if you want to be safe with this stock, you can go ahead and load up on shares. It is a cheaper stock, so it's fine to buy shares, and you can buy a lot of them. Or you can also do call options. You can buy call options a few weeks out right at the money, and those should pay you very well. Now, I'll also take you to Robinhood and show you exactly what call contract I'm looking at if this thing breaks out. Right here we have SOS, and we can see it had a decent day on Friday. And if we go over to their option chain, the expiration I'm looking at is April 9th. April 9th is about 2 weeks out. This gives it plenty of time to run its course. And as I said before, right at the money. This premium is only $1.15 per share, which is $115 per contract. And as we can see, it has plenty of volume and the bid and ask isn't that wide. We can also see that the delta looks pretty juicy. So for every dollar SOS goes up, you'll be making $54 on your contract. So assuming SOS goes up $2, you've doubled your money because the premium will be at over $200. As we can see as well, the theta is really low, only at 3. This is a time decay. It decreases your premium in value, but because it's super low, you should barely get that reflected in the premium. So this is the contract that I really like for this stock. And if we go back to the chart, as I said before, if they can manage to break above this overhead resistance, I can definitely see this thing going up even further. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, you can see that there are some gaps to fill. As it was falling down, they gapped down pretty badly, and this is another area where I can see them going to, which is $9.80. They have this gap to fill. So after it breaks above this $8.44 resistance, this is definitely the first level I see it going, and then the 1050. Another thing I want to mention is that the MACD is starting to cool off and starting to curl to the upside, which is obviously a bullish sign for this stock. So what I see with this thing is very nice. As I said before, it's maintaining that nice upward trend that has been forming since it first fell, and this looks very attractive. Don't forget to keep your stop loss underneath this trend line that has been acting as support. If it breaks through this trend line, then we can start to see some downside, but only hop in this once it has that breakout. So as I said earlier in the video, SOS seems to be forming that nice ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. So definitely look to go long after the breakout, either buying shares or the contract that I showed you guys in the video. I want to know if you guys will be playing SOS in the comment section down below. But if you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.